Hello viewers, this is the ceiling fan from the bedroom. It's taken down for the moment and I'm in the process of adding a downrod to it. So what I've decided to do is take some parts from another fan. The downrod, this ball which is metal, and this mounting bracket are all from a Sears GE vent fan, which it was a really nice fan, but the bearings are far gone and I won't be using that fan anytime soon, so I figured I'll borrow the parts for the time being that I'm using this fan and put them on here. Now this canopy does not appear to be one that would work with a ball socket. At least there's no little notch to hold the ball in place and rotating. So I think what I'm going to do is put this mounting bracket over that, or under that mounting bracket rather, and this will hold the weight of the fan, and that will just make it look cosmetically nice. Now if this doesn't fit, I think it will. I think it'll fit fine. But if it doesn't fit, I have this other canopy, which is from the Sears fan, and I think it would look close enough to fit as far as color-wise goes. Hopefully we don't have to use it. I'd like to keep the canopy original. This is kind of an interesting canopy because it has what looks to be like a punch out here that you could use for a swag kit. So anyways, there's that. I'm going to see if I can get this. Hopefully this will fit in here. I think it should fit in here. Yeah, it should fit in there okay. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to connect the ball and the canopy to the downrod, and then I'll pick back up on the video in a moment. Alright, so that's what it's going to look like. That seems to work okay. And here's the fan configuration. I have to attach the ground. We got an extra ground from that ball, but everything else should be okay. Well, here it is. I didn't get a lot of video because this is one of those scenarios where everything and then some that can go wrong will. So it was just really frustrating and wasted most of my afternoon, which I'm not happy about. It doesn't even look that good, unfortunately. I don't know how long this is going to stay. But anyways, let's get the blades on. Alright, there we go. It's done now, and it looks okay. The canopy is, I mean, it bothers me because it's a pretty different shape compared to the original one, but it's not too obvious. So, alright, here we go. Let's give it a test run and hope it works and doesn't shake all over the place or whatever. Much quieter, I think. No hum. Yeah, I think it does hum a lot less now, which is nice. Much more airflow. Oh, wow. That's a big improvement. Alright, so that was definitely worth doing then. It's stirring up the air pretty good. I mean, it did before as well, but I think it feels like it's moving a lot more air now. And it's not wobbling at all. Whoops. Medium. Definitely a lot less hum. I used to hum substantially on medium. Still pushing quite a bit of air. And low. That is significantly quieter. I am very happy with that. Can't even hear it. No, you can't if you listen real close. There's actually still quite a breeze coming from it. Alright, well, that was a pain in the rear and extremely frustrating, and it wasted my entire afternoon to get it this way, but I am happy with the results.